Hello everyone, this video is about this neckline. So let me show you how I made it. So let's begin. For this designing, you need 10 by 10 inches, 2 squares of extra pieces along with your shirt, of course. So first fold your front piece of shirt and now measure 3.5 inches here and then about 9 inches at the bottom. So after marking and drawing these lines, cut out this rectangle. Now take this cutout piece and use it as your measurement for this white piece of cloth. So just leave seam allowances around at the bottom and at the side. Now measure your neckline here. I'm marking 2.5 inches. And now marking 5 inches deep. I'm actually making a round neckline here. So after marking, cut it out. And now take this neckline and put it on top of the other piece and then extend it to the other side, leaving about 2.5 inches at the bottom, and then cut out on this line. Now take this piece and put it on top of the other one, right sides together, and cut the same style in the other piece. So after cutting it out, fold the side about 1.5 inch and make this design. And now take a bias tape, and here I am showing you how to attach the bias tape to your neckline. So go all around your neckline and fold the pieces at the end and hem it with the bias tape. Now fold this bias tape towards the wrong side and run a basting stitch. We can remove it later on if we want. Now fold the bias tape such that when you fold it, it goes ahead of the stitch you already run there. And this stitch is supposed to be a stitch in a ditch, which I explained in my another video too, if you want to see that for more understanding. To catch the baked cloth in this stitch, you need to fold the bias tape a bit ahead of the stitch. Keep stitching your bias tape. Don't cut it right at the end of the neckline because we need this extra string here. This is the top piece of the design. For that we need this long extra bias tape at the end. So this is the basting stitch I'm removing here. Now take a kind of triangle piece and attach it at the end to both pieces of the bias tape. Now arrange both pieces on top of each other and stitch the closed side of the design so that you don't go wrong. And now to the other side, attach another string on the bottom piece here. And now I am making this bow here, and I will stitch that too so that it can stay the same all the time. Now take your designing and attach it to your front piece of the shirt, and here it is done. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to stay connected.